Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best kids scooter of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given. Product 1, Kid Scooter. A kid scooter is a popular and fun mode of transportation for children, designed to provide them with a safe and enjoyable riding experience. The description: kid scooter, cycling, easy turn, anti-flipping with 3 wheels, suggests several key features and benefits associated with these scooters. Designed for children, kid scooters are specifically designed to cater to the needs and preferences of children. They are typically smaller in size and have age-appropriate features to ensure a comfortable and secure ride for kids. 3-wheel configuration. The mention of 3 wheels indicates that this scooter employs a tri-wheel configuration, which is a common choice for kid scooters. 3 wheels offer increased stability, making it easier for children to balance and ride confidently, especially for those who are still developing their motor skills. Easy turn. The easy turn feature suggests that the scooter is designed for smooth and effortless steering. This is particularly important for kids who may not have the strength or coordination for more complex maneuvering. It ensures that children can make turns safely and with minimal effort. Anti-flipping. Safety is a paramount concern when it comes to kid scooters. The mention of anti-flipping implies that the scooter is equipped with features to prevent tipping over during sharp turns or sudden movements. This safety feature provides peace of mind to parents and caregivers. Cycling fun. Kid scooters are not just a means of transportation. They are also a source of enjoyment for children. They provide an opportunity for kids to have fun while staying active, promoting physical fitness and outdoor play. Product 2. Electric Kid Scooter. The electric kid scooter is a popular and innovative mode of transportation designed specifically for children. This electric scooter is engineered with several key features that prioritize safety, durability, and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for kids looking to explore their surroundings in a fun and efficient way. One of the standout features of the electric kid scooter is its durable steel frame. This robust construction ensures that the scooter can withstand the rigors of daily use by active and energetic youngsters. The sturdy frame not only enhances the scooter's longevity, but also provides stability during rides, instilling confidence in both young riders and their parents. Safety is paramount when it comes to children's products, and this electric scooter doesn't disappoint. It features hand brakes, allowing kids to easily control their speed and bring the scooter to a safe stop whenever necessary. The inclusion of hand brakes promotes responsible riding habits and helps prevent accidents. Another innovative aspect of the electric kid scooter is its inclined rear caster wheels. These wheels enable a unique and exciting riding experience, as they allow the scooter to swivel and carve through turns. This feature not only adds a thrilling element to the ride, but also improves maneuverability, making it easier for kids to navigate around obstacles or make sharp turns. Comfort is also a consideration in the design of this electric scooter. It comes equipped with foam grips on the handlebars, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip for young riders. This feature reduces hand fatigue during extended rides and enhances overall control of the product. 3. Product name. Kick Kid Scooter. The Kick Kid Scooter is an innovative and practical solution designed to cater to the needs of young riders. This scooter is specifically crafted for children and boasts a range of features that make it an ideal choice for kids who love outdoor activities. One of the standout features of the Kick Kid scooter is its lightweight and foldable design. This ensures that parents and children can easily transport and store the scooter when it's not in use, making it convenient for families on the go. Moreover, the scooter is equipped with larger wheels that provide better stability and a smoother ride for the young riders. These larger wheels are especially important for maintaining balance and control, giving kids a safe and enjoyable riding experience. Front suspension is another notable feature of the Kick Kid scooter. This added suspension system helps absorb shocks and vibrations when riding on uneven surfaces, further enhancing the comfort and safety of the ride. The adjustable handlebars are a thoughtful addition to the design, as they allow the scooter to grow with the child. Parents can customize the height of the handlebars to ensure a proper fit for their child, providing comfort and control as the child grows taller. Product 4. Product name. Folding Kick Scooter. The folding kick scooter is a versatile and convenient mode of transportation, designed to cater to a wide age range, making it suitable for kids aged 6 to 12 years. adults, teenagers, and kids aged 8 to 12 years and up. This scooter offers several features that make it a popular choice among various age groups. Age-appropriate design. The folding kick scooter is engineered to accommodate the specific needs and preferences of different age groups, with a focus on safety and comfort. It is available in models suitable for children as young as 6 years old, as well as teenagers and adults. Folding mechanism. One of the standout features of this scooter is its folding mechanism. This allows for easy storage and portability, making it a convenient choice for commuting, trips to the park, or family outings. The foldable design ensures that it can be stowed away in a car trunk or carried on public transportation. Dual suspension. The scooter is equipped with dual suspension, which enhances the overall, providing a smoother and more comfortable ride, particularly on uneven surfaces. It's a significant advantage for riders of all ages, ensuring a less jarring experience on bumpy roads or sidewalks. Adjustable height levels. The folding kick scooter boasts 3 height levels, catering to riders of varying heights. This adjustable feature is particularly crucial for accommodating growth in children and ensuring that adults and teenagers can find a comfortable riding position. Durability and safety. Safety is a top priority for any scooter, especially when considering children as users. This scooter is typically constructed from durable materials and features safety measures, such as non-slip deck surfaces, reliable brakes, and sturdy handlebars. These elements work together to Product 5. Product name. Hurdle 3-wheeled scooter. The Hurdle 3-wheeled scooter is a popular and innovative children's toy designed for toddlers. This scooter is specifically crafted to provide young children with a fun and safe way to learn balance and coordination skills while enjoying outdoor playtime. One of the standout features of the Hurdle 3-wheeled scooter is its unique 3-wheeled design. Unlike traditional 2-wheeled scooters, the 3-wheeled configuration provides enhanced stability, making it an excellent choice for young kids who are just beginning to explore the world of scooting. This stability helps reduce the risk of accidents and boosts a child's confidence as they learn to ride. Additionally, the Hurdle 3-wheeled scooter offers adjustable height settings, allowing parents to customize the scooter's handlebar to suit their child's height as they grow. This feature ensures that the scooter remains comfortable and safe for children of various ages. The scooter also comes with an appealing Realtree design, which adds a touch of style and excitement to the riding experience for kids. For children. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.